going on a 10-mile bike ride. I don't know where we're going, but we're going.
But it's a neat way to see Jacksonville.
We're going to see all of Jacksonville, Riverside area, the downtown area.
Things that we're not familiar with being from Chicago, but what's with the mattresses nailed to the spare bedroom walls? You know, what's going on with that insanity? And so the realtor explained that there had been some young musicians that had rented out the house prior, and that they used to play music in there, and that was soundproofing for their music. The young musicians were the Allman brothers, and also the Lynyrd Skynyrd kids used to practice in this house. So they said, okay, you know, we'll take it. I think it's been written up in Life magazine and a bunch of different magazines because of having that history. But when you take a look at this house, you'll recognize over time, if you don't already, that it's a prairie style. Prairie style have the little windows in the attic, let that heat out. They also have long overhangs over the windows, so to keep the sun out of the windows in the prairies. They have a big front porch. Originally they were big wraparound porches like Ed and Ruth's here. Keep in mind, originally the door would be around the right-hand side because they wanted you to enjoy the whole property as part of the home. They didn't want you to walk right in the front door. They wanted you to catch the garden. They felt like the garden was part of the feeling of the home. But I think over time people said, you know what, just put my door right in the middle. So for groceries it makes it easier.
For our adventures.
Thank you.
So you're going to make our channel.
Thank you so much.
Any shameless plug you want to give to the
Hi,
folks?
my name is Lee, and I hope you'll come and see us. Ready to ride bike tours in Jacksonville.
That's e2ride.com.
E2ride, letter E, number 2, ride.com.
Perfect.
Okay, so we just finished up about 3 hours. We did 10 miles on the bike, which it didn't feel like that at all. Really informative. We learned a lot, and it wasn't too hot. So
No, Lee did a really good job.
2 thumbs up for me.
Yep, Lee did a good job. She's the owner and proprietor. You'll meet her in a second. And if you're coming to Jacksonville and want to find something to do on a beautiful Saturday or Sunday, It's not a bad way to spend the day.
Pro tip, go in the morning.
Go in the morning.
Early morning.
It's August and it's hot, so yep, go in the
But
morning.
she has water.
All right, guys, take care.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Let up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Where are we at today, Clara?
I have no idea. I took a nap in the car and I woke up and we're here.
We're at the Timucuan National Monument for Fort Caroline, Jacksonville, Florida.
Yeah. They got their passport book. They've been dying for this. We drove 40 minutes for a stamp. So. When I got